Peer group is a group of company owners or individuals that are trying to move to the next generation, and they're getting together to collaborate and talk about each other's issues and be there to help provide support and give you feedback on how to address some of these issues based on their experience.
There aren't many opportunities you get to come together with people who are also in business with family, who understand what you're dealing with, and so it's an incredible way for family businesses to be open and honest and transparent and learn what they need from their business, from their family, and from each other.
My peer group has given me a soft place to land when things get hard with family businesses. They've been a lending ear, they've been giving me insight or feedback.
You have a wide variety of experience within those groups, and you can always learn and take something away from it. Knowledge is power. The more you know, the farther you go.